Morning guys, so today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday and my brother and we are going to Disney World. We're ready, we're in matching outfit. Yeah, matching outfit. And we are waiting on the shuttle. And I booked the reservation last night online and we're waiting. The sun already hot, but yeah, catch us at Disney World. Oh, but I know something honest you. We're on our way to Disney World in the shuttle. Even though I can't hear me, this is going to be discarded. In the parking lot, and I was asking like, what do we do next, because it's the first time we're here, and then there's a train thing over there and we were wondering if we were going to take that, but he said no, that's to go to the next place, but that's for tomorrow or another day. I don't know, I don't remember what's on the plan for tomorrow, but today is Magical Kingdom and we're walking to there. Yeah, and it seems like there's nothing over there. It just seems empty. Like, unless he drove that, I don't know. Unless it's underground. Anyway. Yeah, underground. Yeah, all the rides underground. But let's see together. Exit only. So we have to go there and go. Look at the line though. See, you have to drink off your drinks all at once. I know. I see people bringing bags and stuff, so maybe you can bring food.
All the way to the left.
To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. Everything you own in the box to the left. That's cute.
I'll sleep in this old house where dreams were built up from the ground. A castle built up in the clouds eventually must fall tomorrow.
Alright guys, so we're done now. Because when we come here we're saying that we don't know where, we don't see anything, but we have to take a train to the Magical Kingdom, so that's where we're going now. So, yeah. Guys, there it is. Oh, look at that. Look at the kingdom. It's magical. What's magical over there? We're going to go on the ferry boat. Oh, wait. There is a lot of people. But the boat is big. So we have to wait until that one leave and then wait on them. The last time I went on a boat, I almost lost my phone. I'm not using my phone on this one.
I used the phone on the Staten Island.
Yes, we're going to be first.
I'll wake up and wish that the slipper never fit, and maybe someday I'll forget we ever loved at all. Remember what it felt like back at the start, when we were living with fairy tale hearts. Wish I could read the ending before it played out.
As you make your way on board, continue to move through the boat. You're going to exit this boat from the opposite end you're entering. Please do not stop. Once on board. Good morning, everyone.
Right here. This is the front. Where's the front? Oh, that's the front. Where are we going? The Magic Kingdom. Where are we going?
I guess a broken king and queen eventually give up the crown. Love and lives and memories. I only see you in my dreams. A dungeon deep inside of me, never to escape. We had it all, the sun and moon and stars in all of me and you. I take a breath, you fade to blue. Suddenly I'm awake. Remember what it felt like back in the sun when we were living with fairy tale hearts. Wish I could read the end.
Hi, good morning everybody, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. Those of you on the upper deck, you can get straight off here.
Look at the people. There's like millions. Take a picture right there next to 100.
Okay. Not everyone is highly coordinated. Believe me, I'm not. I'm just like, look at me. I'm just a random guy with a camera. Oh, we got 28. What's Mickey? Mickey would be proud. We go. Oh. Sorry, you guys. Unfortunately, that happened. So much intensity, so much noise. Big
That's what I want to know. But they don't know. You can just put on your shirt. You should put on a shirt and say happy birthday. There you go. It is so hot. Like, so hot. So hot. We need to find some water. Oh, we're going to go into that store over there. So right now we're on Main Street, USA. And we're going to go to the Adventureland. Yeah, Adventureland. We need to get water because the place is hot. I am melting. I'm literally melting. Nathan is saying it's not that hot. Something is going on over there. What is going on over there? Let's go over there first. Everyone just congregating for nothing?
They got mint growing.
Huh?
They got mint growing.
What?
Mint.
Oh, it's to go inside. Is it to go inside?
No, but people are just going in anyway.
Yeah, but why are they here? Like along? Why are they just sitting? The parade?
Yeah, because I can hear it.
Do you want to go inside? Let's walk and go inside. How do we? But we have to pass these people here. This is for lightning lady.
Did you have a reservation with us?
No. Oh, we have to have a reservation too?
For this viewing area. Yeah.
Is this just a viewing area?
Yeah, it's just a viewing area for the parade.
Okay.
You can see the parade anywhere.
Oh, this is just for the parade. So no one can go in there?
And the castle, yeah. You'll just need to go around either side.
Okay.
And you can go up the ramp and straight out.
Okay, what time is the parade?
It's on its way. I hear the music. So it started at 12. We'll see it around 12:15 right here.
Oh,
But
okay.
you've got time to get across if you need to.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you want to wait for the parade or what? You want to wait for the parade? No, that's not the parade. That's just a small one. The parade with Mickey Mouse and all those people.
Well, go in there. And but she said we have enough time.
Oh. To cross. That's what she said. We have enough time to cross. Look how much people. Circus. Oh, Jesus.
A monster with a smile. Hat tie and boots, he's got a lot of style. He's sailing rubber duckies down your hall. Your train tracks running all around the wall. He loves to joke, he'll try to make you laugh. His family come from the watermelon star. You afraid?
I still don't want princesses.
It's a video.
But he'd like to be your friend. He's a greeny Winders fan.
First ride of the day. What's this called? A pony ride? What's this called? I don't remember, but it's baby. I remember this when I was younger. And when I went, it was it Crystal Palace? No, it's not Crystal Palace. Where they have this thing. And then there's like a big park. Crystal Palace. I don't remember, but yeah, I remember when I was there, I was on this.
Oh no, yeah, it's Crystal Palace.
Crystal Palace, yeah. So, here we are at Disney World on this thing. Who you talking to? Who you talking to? It's actually cool, makes you feel nice. The place is so hot, you need this.
He's a greeny Winders fan.
Guys, God is so good that when we went in the long line and we tapped our card, the lady saying that we have lightning lane, and I don't remember paying for it. But we will work with it, right? We'll work with it. Favors upon favors upon favors. Well, guys, all I can say is that if you're coming to Disney World, make sure that you have time. Because even when you have the lightning what?
The lightning pass.
Pass. It's not that lightning. I never see a lightning struck so slow. I've been in the line for what? 20 minutes now? 20 minutes now, and it's still long. Like, it's ridiculous. It's now like practically almost 1 o'clock, and we have not done anything other than that Ferris ride. That's what they call it, right? Yeah. Carousel. Yeah. And I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. But we have time. Guys are still here. We've been in the line for almost an hour. It's now 1:50. Lightning not striking here. off from here. Leaving. Go to bed.
The bag is fine.
This is not scary, right? It's
I'm not sure about that.
That was quick. That was it.
Tell me that was it.
That was it. Like that was it. No way. 1 hour for
I don't want to here.
Are we going back quick?
Oh, the ride broke. The ride broke.
We broke? Can you imagine going back quick, crashing in the other one?
Is that anything? Waiting for the other
Whoops. And now don't you worry. Just stay seated and we'll get things fixed up right away.
It's broken.
We're all set and ready to go. There was nothing to it. Now just stay seated.
Whoa!
Oh my
Oh my
days.
God.
Bro, what's going on here?
You're screaming.
These are rock socks.
You have like the cold place over there.
That was it.
That was it. Yeah. Look at them dancing. There's more than 2 of them. That's the third one. And then there's one. There's like 4. 5. 5.
The finest colors in the world are red and green. And I'm so lucky 'cause my carpet's just the same. I pack my backpack and my coat, sunglasses too. We're getting
tonight as we counted all the planes go by.
All the way to the back, friends. All the way to the back. That very last car. We have 6 rows. 5 people per row. Small children must go in first. Any food or drink that does not have a lid. Any food or drink that does not have a lid must be prepared for me at this time. Again, all small children and strollers must go into your row first.
Oh, we are getting?
We found each other through the stars, like we were just kids. Like we were just kids. Keep me by your side. Kaleidoscopes running through my mind. We looked like we were both insane. All day, all night to tessellate. I don't want this night to fade, 'cause we don't feel this way no more. We're laughing till our bodies hurt, and takes me to this place like we were just kids. Slow it down or it can be gone, like we were just kids. The feeling that we had once now ours, like we were just lost up in space. We found each other through the stars. Space. We found each other through the stars, like we were just kids. Like we were just kids.
It's the land of the free, home of the brave, but a lot of us in here are still enslaved. Please take caution on every single thing that you preach. The big elite got us in a tight grip on a leash. It's freedom of speech, but you wanna take my page down? Is it 'cause our sisters spit that real shit now? Crazy black woman, clown, how you figure? I went to school, came out, and then stacked my figures. I could have been laid up, child support paid up, grabbing mad choppers to your hood to spray it up. My life ain't
What body?
Exciting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Stretching.
And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely.
That's not
The
scary.
real chills come later. Alive, and will continue on. Let's all sit together.
Rap on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies.
Turn it on me. My personal. My personal. What does it call it? Fan blower. Six size. Six size.
Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra! And don't touch my hat!
Whoa! That's a good This is nice. Woo!
It's okay.
They're crazy. I wonder if it works with the with this.
It is with
You
deepest
can see
pride
through the lens.
and greatest pleasure
You think?
that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
It's not gonna show good.
Be
Yes, it will.
guest. Be our guest.
Yes, it will.
Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
That's so good.
rather an inspiring thing. Oh, I just can't wait to be here. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm shining spotlight. Not yet.
As you all could see, all of the happenings, we didn't get to do everything because the lines was too long. If I could change anything, I would have changed the fact that I didn't buy the lightning pass. So tomorrow when we go to the other park, I want to see if I can get the lightning pass so that we can skip the lines, because I didn't have the patience for most of the rides. Some of the rides we didn't even bother to go. And then for one ride specifically, which is the boat ride, we came out the line because the line was too long. And it was like over an hour wait. So we came out, but I'm going to show you, well, you saw everything. But I just want to give you a quick update as to what's going on. And if you reach this far in the video and don't like it yet, like, what are you doing? If you're not subscribed, like, what you do? Like, what are you doing? You know, I'm taking you to Disney World. You know how much, you know what's the cost per day? And you're getting it for free? Wait. So we are literally waiting for the fireworks. So stay tuned for the fireworks. We have cars. We're tired. And rain a fall, we're stung in the rain. And we just feel like, you know, when time rain a fall and you just want to run. Like, I don't feel them with it. I feel like I just want the rain wet me up because I just feel dirty and I need to shower. The heat is heated. It's hot. My brother said it's not hot. I don't like it. I just feel sweaty. It's just hot. This is what you should do when you come to Disney World. Take a picture right at the castle, and don't forget to purchase the photo pass so that you can get professional picture taken from the professional person, and they stand up at the photo spot. So do that. It is raining and it is still busy because people are literally waiting for the fireworks as we are, and I kind of like the feeling right now because it's not that hot. Like this morning it was like too hot. It was too hot, but yeah. And remember to bring your power bank and the cable for your charge. Not everybody use iPhone, right? This dude didn't bring a cable, so his phone is at what, 7% now?
Phone's at 5.
5%. 5%, and his girlfriend is worried. Yeah, so things that you should bring: water, camera, and a power bank because your phone will die.
Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. You're touching.
They're not leaving. They're going. Leaving is that way. You cannot leave off the island this way.
No, how could you talking about going the other way? Let's go into jewelry.
Go what?
Jewelry.
What?
Jewelry.
What?
Jewelry.
Where?
Right there.
I don't want to buy no jewelry.
You're the coffee in my cup. Couldn't never get enough of your love, taking me up. Oh, don't you hesitate. Need you every day. Get lost in you, you're my hideaway. Keeping me awake. Know you love the taste. I could do forever in your arms. I swear I'm losing all my senses. You fit like the sky fit into heaven. Want you every way. Need you every day. Baby, don't you hesitate, hesitate. Tie-dye like a shooting star. Boy, you're like a work of art. Say that you're mine. You know you got all my heart. Follow you wherever you are. I'm by your side. Rising, shining like the sun. You're the coffee in my cup. Couldn't never get enough.
Once again, my friends, our fireworks show this evening begins at 9:20. So I highly suggest you getting that good spot now. If you are looking for that bestie in the house at this time, he's just there, right? And filling all that available space in front of you. Once again, my friends, feel free to fill all that available space in front of you. There, right? And filling all that available space in front of you. For the best spot in the house at this time. Please continue to follow my friends with these things.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within. Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
Are you doing it? Well, my phone is doing it good. Change the color.
Every step we take brings a new hope, new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally points to motion. Diving in with our hearts wide open.
This is pretty. Because the speaker everywhere. Oh my god, my hand's tired. See if you start again. Start again. The best fireworks I've ever seen.
It's better than London.
It's better than like New Year's and 4th of July. Yes. Where can you get even the projectors that ones? Fireworks and projectors. I want to see this. It's a Disney World. That would be really yeah, like right in.
That's what friends are How many minutes? 18 minutes? 18? Yeah. 19? We're not even halfway there.
Where the crowds will cheer when they see
Hold on. Hold on.
and the voice
I love it.
saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
Untied one more time.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Best thing ever since his best friend.
Worth the $200.
Slice bread.
Oh, God.
It's not done yet, is it? Oh, the light. Sorry. I don't know. Depends on the mood it's on. Depends on the mood it's on.
I just want to turn my hand.
Then turn your hand.
It's just going to follow.
Let's go, because